In this tutorial, we're going to take a quick look at how you can create a composition in Cavalry. Now, when you open Cavalry, you by default have a composition ready for you and you cannot delete this composition. But if you want to make a new composition, there are several options. You can click this icon here, which is create a composition. You can go to the composition menu, choose to create a new composition, but also create a new composition from a preset. Then when you have an asset in your asset window here, like this one, you can create a composition using that asset by dragging this asset on top of this new composition icon here. And now you created a composition with that asset you just dragged on top of it. And if you want to change your composition, you drag it in this editor as well. It is possible to have multiple compositions at the same time. So we have our composition of this rows. We have our composition 1. So it's possible to have multiple compositions on at the same time, but only one can be set as the active composition. So this one is now the active composition. I still have that one, so we have two compositions, but it's not active. I have to double click it, and now that one is active and the other one isn't. So you have the possibility to have multiple compositions here, but only one of those can be active. And you can delete a composition. So select it, press delete. You can delete it. You can right click and then choose delete. But because this is my only composition left, I cannot delete it. So you can have multiple compositions, only one can be open at the same time, but you do have to have one composition in your asset window in Cavalry. But that's how you can easily create a new composition using an asset or just creating a composition as is. And then as always, you can drag it to the attribute editor and edit it. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.